I love storms. Yeah, Aunt Jen went home and she's sleeping in a tent. It's a good thing she left because she would be soaking wet. I hope her stuff is okay. But yeah, I think today's gonna be an inside day. Oh, Dad is coming today. Dad is coming today. And he's gonna have to set up his tent in the rain. Oh dang, that sucks. Oh, look at the lightning. This is like the top of my little cave right now. See? Woo. It's like 7:30 right now, and everybody's awake. And it's raining so hard, and I love it. I love storms. I love thunderstorms. Yo skis, we're going swimming again. The last few days I wasn't able to because either it was too cold or it was raining or it was really windy. But today, I'm actually going swimming. Let's go. I'll meet you guys when I get over there. And we are here. I don't know if there's other people here, but we're about to go find out. I hear Logan and Zayden. Is it just you guys? Yeah, it's just them. What? I am Godzilla! Raw! Oh my gosh. There's complete chaos going on right now. Logan has turned into Detective Larry and Zayden yeeted his goggles into the water. You guys have to help me. I'm gonna see you do a front flip, okay? Just let me end this video. Chill. We are... What? We're heading back because the wind is making my ears cold. And as we're walking back, Logan has a story to tell you. He has to call his Larry. Zayden, are you okay? He just totally slipped on nothing.
A story to tell you. First off, it's hilarious. So,
Detective Larry!
Detective Larry here. I was swimming out to the raft, and under it, I saw something under the raft, and I was like, "Gee whiz, what was that?" And I punched it. And that went away.
The end. Dude, what the frick is this? I'm so confused. Do you see a charger anywhere? No. Look at this. Logan's phone is broken.
Go find it.
Flashlight.
Sick. That was horrible. I don't know how Logan slept with that dog.
I'm vlogging. I'm trying not to get any faces. I'm trying not. Ew. Look at that, bro. This is crazy, broskies. Logan, say hi to the vlog. Hello. Yeah. Going back.